Hi, I'm Payam from Payam Data Recovery, and I'd like to tell you today what to do if your hard drive just died. It's important to think about what's on that hard drive, whether it's your hard drive inside your main computer, whether it's a laptop, or if it's an external USB hard drive or a portable drive. Have a think about what's on there, have you got a backup someplace else, and how important is the information to you. If you can just redo your work again, don't stress. It's not the end of the world. You can redo your work in a couple of days and no need to panic. If you've just realized that you should have been backing up your files and you've got 10 years of family photos and your partner's going to be crying and going to get really upset with you, or you're going to lose your job if you lost your work stuff, then it's very important to stop using that hard drive. Next, think about what happened just before it failed. If you dropped it, it fell over, knocked it off a table, it's been kind of shaken around, it's even more important not to use it. Leave it unplugged and take it to a data recovery company like ours, Payam Data Recovery. We always offer a free assessment and quote, and tell the data recovery specialist that you have dropped it, it's been physically damaged, and to be very, very careful as you have no backup. You don't want the computer technician or data recovery guy just to plug it into his own computer and make the problem worse. If you haven't dropped it and it's just basically stopped working, then check the cables, try and plug it into one or two different computers, try a different cable, put your ear next to it, have a listen to it and see if you can hear any unusual noises. A hard drive that's healthy should basically sound a bit like a fan. It should sort of have a constant sound like if you're hearing ticking, clicking, scratching sounds, unplug the power right away. The next thing to do is take it to a data recovery company. If you do decide to post it to them, make sure you put it in a box with lots and lots of bubble wrap or packaging material. If you don't have it, then get an old towel or like a jumper or a t-shirt or something, wrap it up in that. The key is to make sure that you protect all sides of the hard drive with at least 3 centimeters of padding or protection to make sure it doesn't get more badly damaged in the post or by couriers. Now, if you have any questions about data recovery, post a comment below, ask me a question. If you know anyone that's got a failed hard drive that needs our help, please share this link with them or tag them in this message. Let them know, we'd love to help. At Payam Data Recovery, we offer a free assessment and quote. We also offer 12-month payment plans, and the most common question is, how much does it cost? So it normally costs somewhere between $200 and $2,000, depending on what's wrong with it. Some things are quick and easy to fix, other things take a lot of time, a lot of patience, and spare parts and labor. So we'll let you know free of charge, we'll test it for you. Thanks for watching.